Get ready. Start. Sir, unfortunately for most of us, what is decided by the highest judicial authority in our country is that the directive principles are not as important as fundamental rights. Full stop. It is most unfortunate. Full stop. I do not mean any criticism against any individual sitting judge. Full stop. I mean criticism from the point of view of the principle adopted to decide the cases. Full stop. The directive principles are not only the duties cast upon the state, they are a sort of right available to the citizens as a whole in the country, to the society as a whole. Full stop. We consider the right available to an individual, and we do not consider the right available to so many individuals in the country. We are committing a mistake somewhere. Full stop. They have decided that because directive principles are not justiciable, fundamental rights are more important, and when a law is made to implement the directive principles, if it goes against the fundamental right, it has to be struck down. Full stop. That is most unfortunate. Full stop. There is a decided case in which a Harjan student was admitted in a medical college and a law was made for that purpose. Full stop. That case went to the High Court of Madras, and it decided that equality before a law is not available under that act because all students should be treated equal, and so the admission was cancelled. Full stop. That was most unfortunate. Full stop. It is a different thing that the judgment was reversed and so many other steps were taken, and we have now in our country students from scheduled castes and tribes getting admission to medical colleges on priority. It is all there, but that is a different thing. Para. Only a few days back, in this house itself, I do not mean any disrespect to the honorable members who pleaded the cause in the most beautiful, most effective manner. What have we decided? Full stop. There was a law brought before this house which said that in order to protect the skull and brain of an individual, he should wear helmet. Full stop. Then, because of the prevailing religious and other social circumstances, certain citizens were given exemption from this. Full stop. He said that if you do this, somebody will go to the court and get an injunction against this because there is discrimination between women in this country. Full stop. What was the result? Full stop. The result was that the honorable minister had to say that the ladies would be exempted. Stop.